Hi there. Today I'm showing you something that is going to really help retain more of your revenue in Kajabi and stop some of your churn, especially with memberships. So I'm going to show you two features today that rolled out a few months ago. I think people really haven't talked about it enough. So previously on Kajabi Payments, you couldn't do payment reminders like you do with Stripe. You get the emails being like, okay, your payment's processing in X amount of days, right? Or your payment's coming soon on this date. And that helps people be like, oh, okay, I know my payment's coming. So they want to make sure the right amount is in that account. And so you'll get less failed payments. So let's head on over to Kajabi. You just want to head to settings and then customer payments. And there's a couple things that I'll also mention in here. Make sure your receipts are turned on. That way you'll cut down on admin time, especially towards taxes when people are like, I need invoices for everything I've ever done with you, or God forbid people who do taxes like backdate taxes and they're like, I need everything for the last 5 years. Sweet Jesus. Also, you can attach it so that it comes as an attachment and they can just easily download it and send it to their accountant. That's nice. And we also have refund receipts here. So the things that I really wanted you to pay attention to are these. So manage free trial messaging. So it will send a reminder 7 days before a trial ends. So you just want to toggle that on if you're doing trials. And you can customize free trial email here. If you click on this, it will show you all of the email templates that you can customize that are like just our standard auto-populated. You can send yourself a test email. However, these little formatted payment details like that are in brackets won't auto-populate. So don't be freaked out if that part of the email is blank. And yeah, you can just use text to tweak this however you like. And then reminder email. So this will send a reminder whenever let's turn it on so you can see the customization, whenever a payment is coming. So again, you customize it in the same place. So what you can change is how many days out. I think 7 is great to let people know that, okay, their payment's coming due. And you can even select only specific offers that you want notifications to come through, or all offers. You also have this now where if someone's payment fails the first time, it will revoke access automatically. So you don't need to worry about following up with them. Did they actually pay? Did their payment lapse entirely? And I need to go manually revoke them. This will revoke them, and when their payment goes through, it'll give them access again. Don't forget to hit save, of course. Very important. And that's it. What I said 5 minutes, it was like 2 minutes. That's how you do your best to make sure you keep as much of your revenue as you can, keep the clients happy, and reduce churn, especially if you're in a membership. If you need any Kajabi assistance whatsoever, or even other platforms, feel free to reach out to me at hello@thealignedpretzel.com, and we will get back to you. You can also head on over to thealignedpretzel.co. There's a little button in the corner to book a free consult with me. See you on the next one.